A credit line of $5,000 with no impact to your credit score, and it's super easy to apply. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide of this massive opportunity that allows you to get $5,000 worth of line of credit or credit line with no impact to your credit score pre-qualification. And this is huge for anyone who wants to have a credit line in their credit report without impacting their credit score for pre-qualification. And one thing that you need to understand, that credit line are different from credit cards, and in this case you can actually use it as a loan as well. How? I'm going to tell you in just a bit, but you need to understand that $5,000 is a huge amount for a number of people. This is a credit product. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This is a disclaimer, but you need to understand that I am going to give you the step-by-step guide in this video, which will allow you to get this $5,000 worth of line of credit with no impact to your credit score pre-qualification. And remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can apply for that personal loan even if you have bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So here is the biggest opportunity right in front of you. It's known as MDG, brings leading consumer finance programs, and you can get pre-qualified for up to $5,000 line of credit, or you can get a cash advance or shop at mdg.com. So it goes both ways for you. Either you can use this to buy whatever you want, such as a gaming console, a TV, furniture, appliances, mattress, or so many things, or even cameras if you want to start a YouTube channel. Or you can use it as a cash advance. Let me just zoom in for you, and you can actually take it as a cash advance, which means that cash in your hand. So what it means, let me just go back and show you. Everyone is considered means that they have a system where if you have bad, poor, or worse credit, you are going to be considered. Maybe the line of credit would be lower than $5,000, but it depends, but they consider everyone. Then pre-qualify for the best rate. This is what I love. Though it's not pre-approval, this is something that I can just put it in the second category, but again, it's pre-qualification. It will not impact your credit score once they say that, hey, you are going to get it. But remember, it's not guaranteed approval. So please do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products. This is known as MDG, financing made easy. If you know about Rooms to Go and other consumer finance programs, they have those credit cards and credit lines where you can actually use those credit cards or credit lines and buy the stuff for monthly payments and stuff. But right here, actually, it has a perk which you can actually use it as a cash advance. Look at this right here on top. You can actually use it as a cash advance, which is great. I love these sort of things. I love these credit lines where they actually allow you to get cash, and they have plenty of stuff. They have like gaming console, laptop, smart TV, desktops, cameras, drones, cell phones, home and furniture, appliances, mattress, bedding, so many things. If I get this cash line, I probably go with Nintendo Switch. I am just kidding, but of course, use this wisely. It comes with hefty APR as well, so please keep this in mind. Well, moving on, remember that the last part is really important, because I am going to give you the step-by-step guide how you can apply for this. Well, as I mentioned earlier, that according to them, shop today, pay over time, low minimum payments, and of course you can pre-qualify for up to $5,000 worth of line of credit, and they have most popular items section as well. It's a pretty straightforward website, so I'm not going to go into the details. What I'm going to go into right now is how you can apply. So let's click on it. 3, 2, 1, let's click. As soon as I click on it, this page will open. I'm gonna zoom out, then I'm gonna zoom in again. So let's go towards this part. Up to $5,000 line of credit, cash advance, or to shop with MDG. Great thing. No impact to your credit score. I love it. I simply love it when I see any credit product that says no impact to your credit score. But I would even give more stars if they say pre-approval instead of pre-qualification? Well, they say pre-qualify with a soft credit inquiry means, of course, it will not impact your credit score. But as you know, that they said that they consider everyone is considered, so it means that there are high chances that you're going to get approved for this. But remember, even if they don't approve you, which is highly unlikely if you have bad or poor credit, remember, it will not impact your credit score by any means. No penalties for paying your balance in advance. This is great. So if you would like to pay your balance in full, then there are no penalties. And I hate those credit products or loans where if you want to pay off the loan in full at once, they charge you hefty price or hefty fee, which is crazy, to be honest. I recently actually reviewed a credit card known as Indigo. They have hefty monthly fee, and like they also have an annual fee. They have very bad late charges and overdraft charges and stuff like this. It's for poor or worse credit, but something that you need to keep in mind. But in this case, this is great. Well, so application: in order to proceed with your application for a credit account, our verification department will require a checking or savings bank account with recent activity. If you have an active checking account or savings account, this is the way to go. Your main source of income needs to be deposited into your checking account. Your savings bank account income deposited into prepaid card, Visa, or gift card will not be accepted, so please keep this in mind. Do you have pre-screened customer code? Well, this is amazing. I am actually going to make a video about it. If you would like to watch that video, that how you can opt in into this pre-screened offer, means that you get mails in your mailbox with pre-approval or pre-qualification, then this is a very, very important channel for you. Make sure you subscribe to the Credit Oaks channel and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video, because it helps tons of people and it helped me as well, where I don't have to get into those things that okay, I have to pre-apply or pre-approve or something like that. But now, if anything comes in, then like get an offer in the mail, such as even for American Express, hey, you are pre-approved or pre-qualified, and just simply go with no worries. I apply for it and get the card or loan that I need. But remember, I never carry a balance. This is a great thing, and I advise you to do the same. So now here's the part where I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide. This is fairly simple, but you need to understand. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I apologize, it's going to look a little small, but this is necessary. So you need to put your email and password, and then you need to put your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your residential address, your contact information, your social security number. Don't worry, they're not going to do any sort of hard inquiry to your credit. Your total monthly income before taxes. Make sure you put your address and your monthly income that is mentioned on your credit report. Then your main money income and your source of income, your living arrangement. Then check this box and then pre-qualify now. Well, this is pretty straightforward, but one thing that you need to understand, that only put the address that you have on your credit report. It should exactly match the address that you have on your credit report, otherwise you will not be pre-qualified for this. Remember, pre-qualification doesn't mean that you are approved, so please keep this in mind. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that loan even if you have bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.